Hello and welcome back. Today I'm gonna talk about facts about Germany. Let's get started. Number one third of Germany is still covered in forest and woodland. Despite the population density, a good proportion of Germany is actually still covered in foliage. And it sure is spectacular. If you are a fan of the Brothers Grimm fairy tales, you might just want to pay a visit to the Black Forest, the setting of many of their stories. Number 2. Berlin is 9 times bigger than Paris and has more bridges than Venice. Dating back to the 13th century, the city spans a whopping 891.8 kilometers square. Plenty of room, isn't it? For these 1650 bridges within the city. Number 3. Germany's capital city has shifted 7 times. Yes, you heard right, 7 times. From Aachen during the Carolingian Empire to Rendsburg, Frankfurt am Main, Nuremberg, Berlin, Weimar, unofficially during unrest in Berlin, Bonn, and East Berlin, and since 1919, Berlin again. Number 4. Germany is Europe's second largest beer consumer. Just behind the Czech Republic, the Germans are known to consume a fair amount of the liquid gold. But given the Bavarians even consider beer to be a basic food and drink on average of 150 liters per person per year. Well done, Germans, keep it up. Number 5. The first book to ever to be printed was the Bible by Johannes Gutenberg in the 1450s in Germany. The first mass-produced printed book was the Latin Bible and was originally printed in February 23, 1455 in Mainz. Don't forget to subscribe, share and click on the ring bell so you can get latest updation every time when I upload a new video. Thank you.